All right. Yeah, welcome to MMCYBERCONET. This video is basically for candidates that are applying for Nekede admission. So, if you have been given admission by JAM and you accepted the admission, the next thing is to log in to Nekede portal to follow up your admission. Remember, as a regular candidate, you have two ways of accepting admission. One, JAM will first give you admission. After JAM, then school will now give you, maybe within the interval of 1 week or 2 weeks. It depends. So you are advised that once JAM has given you admission and you accepted the admission, the next thing is to follow up the balance of admission. So this particular tutorial is basically for candidates of Nekede. So let's dive in. Now the next thing to do is to open your Chrome if you are using a laptop, if you are using a phone. So just click on your Google or your Chrome search and type and so I will basically post this link on the description below, so you can, if you don't maybe know the particular website to use, you just click the link. It will take you to the Nekede portal, then you follow up the process from there. So let's start. I have already have the link here. As you can see, the link is here. You can see the link here. So this is the link. I will post the link on the description below, so you can just tap on it and then follow up. Once you put in the link, just and then let's wait for it to load. It will take you to this page. Yeah, you now come to applicants. You now come to right. You click on applicant. Once you click, so you click on check admission status. Right. You now click on check admission status, just as you see. So once you click on check admission status, boom, you will see this pop-up alert. Just kind of click OK, ignore it, then check admission status. Please enter your application form number below to check your application status. Now, in every of the application slip that you got after you might have submitted the admission, they will give you a unique application number, right? So you can go through the form. The form, you will see your application number there. It starts with FPN/. So let's kind of test and see if some persons here have gotten or not. So let's try it. I've already have some application number here, so let's just put it, and then you click on, once you put your application number, you click on login. You click on login. Once you click on login, it's you to load. Boom, just ignore this and read this message down here, this particular message here. You have not been admitted. Please check again as admission is ongoing. You are advised to upload your O-level result on JAM website, also to change to Federal Polytechnic Nekede as your first institutions on JAM website. You will not be offered admission if you fail to do so. So basically, you have to make Nekede your first choice, and you have to also upload your O-level results. These things has been, saying, if you follow me. So if you have done this, you don't need to worry. Just hold on. Within few days, come back and check. You will see, congratulations, you have been admitted. So let me just quickly show you. Note, this particular portal now is for both morning and evening, and also weekend. Is in the morning and the evening, ND weekend can use this portal to check, exception of HND. This particular portal do not allow HND to check. HND, they have their own separate portal for checking the admission. So this is for morning. This application number now is basically for morning, and they have not started giving morning yet. However, JAM is still giving the morning student admission, though it will take the school about 1 or 2 weeks of interval before the school will now start giving. So as a candidate, you are advised to keep checking through the school portal as well. So let me check for the evening, because evening admission is ongoing. So this application number now is for evening candidates. So let's check the same process. Click on login. Let's wait a bit, it's loading. Boom, congratulations. So this person has gotten admission. So as a morning student, as a evening student, as a weekend student, once you've been given admission, this is the first thing that you will see. Admission, current status, evidence of admission. You see your name, the application number, the program, which is maybe evening or morning or weekend. Then you now see the course you applied for. So this one now is SLT. Okay, you now see, congratulations, you have been given a provisional admission into Federal Polytechnic Nekede, Owerri. So once this is done, you are advised to proceed as fast as possible to make your payments and take on your screening. Everything is online, so that is how to monitor your admission in Nekede portal. Thank you. And if you want to do anything, you can use the number in the description below. Let's continue from there. Bye. If you have not followed, give a follow, thumbs up, share.